All right, I'm here at Utah Oracle User Group, or UTOUG, and I'm talking here with Gary Gordhamer about tuning. A lot on performance tuning here. What can you tell us about performance tuning?
Well,
What's the key?
I think the key, and one of the things that I've kind of talked to people about today is that, we're always looking for tuning the SQL and tuning that end of it, but sometimes you have to take a step back and actually look at the data model. Sure. And you might find things like the example I gave today was like some of my healthcare customers, they have a 3-digit or 3-unit piece of data that's stored in one field, but they're always querying and joining that across different parts. Like the first part is a member ID and then maybe a policy ID, et cetera. And just really old traditional second normal form says that should be 3 fields. And you can display it together, but you should store it separately because you're going to join and query on that. And that's the kind of things that we still haven't fixed. And that's the kind of things that, really drives performance at a low level.
And sometimes people say, when I go back to the model, well, that guy, he's not here anymore, he retired.
That's correct. And I think that knowledge drain is hard, but that's where we have to invest a little effort and time in some of our younger employees and grow that piece and say,
can AI help me?
AI can definitely teach them things about normalization, et cetera. I mean, I wouldn't recommend dropping your data model into
an AI, my model for me?
It could possibly, but it might not give you the best advice. But I definitely think it could teach you about like normalization, and you could apply that. I mean, I think it's better as a tutor than as a replacement.
Maybe we need an AI force multiplier. Gary Gordhamer, ACE director. How about that?
Maybe. I think that's something we can help a lot of people with, is really...
Use AI, but the real AI is right here. Thanks, guys. Have a great day here from Utah Oracle User Group.
Thank you, Rich.